Hello, this is a NYMammoth. Today, I've prepared an anticipated interior design overview for the 2024 highlight, the Genesis G80 Facelift. While you may have already predicted the exterior design, I believe my channel might be among the first to delve into the interior predictions. Drawing insights from the GV80 Facelift and GV80 Coupe, we can anticipate a similar degree of transformation. Today, I'll share my expectations for the interior design of the upcoming Genesis G80 Facelift. First and foremost, the most significant changes are expected in the steering wheel, display, center fascia, and air conditioning controls. The steering wheel is likely to adopt the recent Genesis trend, with a 3-spoke design featuring a crest-shaped horn cover. The G80 Sport may have a D-cut wheel, while the standard model could feature a circular design. The horn cover is expected to be adorned with Genesis crest-shaped stitching, with different colors distinguishing between engine sizes. The cluster panel and infotainment display, previously separated, are likely to transform into a unified 27-inch display, integrating both cluster and infotainment functions. This change will also lead to a repositioning of the air conditioning vents slightly downward, and the center fascia's climate control will be revamped to resemble the sleek design seen in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, with integrated controls for both the gear shifter and climate control. The console box and armrest shape will likely remain consistent with the current design. Similar to the changes in the GV80 Facelift, the size of the air conditioning control dial may decrease, and the volume control dial could be placed above, creating a more streamlined appearance. Other areas are expected to retain the current design, with changes primarily focused on the steering wheel, display, and center fascia. These alterations alone promise a substantial upgrade in product value, making the Genesis G80 Facelift a transformative release. You've now seen both the anticipated exterior and interior designs of the Genesis G80 Facelift on the NYMammoth channel. With the design unveiling and release pending, I appreciate your interest in the content provided on my channel. I'll be back with more anticipated designs in the future. Thank you.
신차 사는 방법. 여기저기 견적받고 힘들게 발품 팔고
고객님, 제가 진짜 잘해드리는 겁니다.
아직도? 원하는 차량 선택하면 전국 딜러들의 견적을 비교할 수 있어요. 신차 게으르게 사세요. 카랩.